Hey everybody, welcome to today's show. Today we're going to be bringing you a hunting show from the swamp whitetails in Brent, Alabama. Today we're going to be having Gabe Dalton from Jasper Auto, and we're going to be having Jeremy Self from Artec Tractor in Nauvoo, Alabama. But first we want to thank the Alabama Credit Union for allowing us to take these two companies out in the woods. Jasper Auto, Artec Tractor have been very good to the Alabama Credit Union, and over the years they've been using the Alabama Credit Union for a lot of their financing. And this is just a small thank you to you guys for helping us to build relationships through the outdoors. And thank you for choosing the Alabama Credit Union. All right. Let's start out with Gabe Dalton from Jasper Auto. Gabe handles the finances there at Jasper Auto, and he's never been a big deer hunter, but he wanted to try it one time. Here's Gabe Dalton. Y'all take a look.
Hey folks, Gabe Dalton with Jasper Auto Sales down here at the Swamp Whitetails with Tommy Wilcox and the Alabama Credit Union. Just got in the stand. We've got a few deer out in the field. Been watching them, so we're going to see what happens, and we're going to come back and talk to you in just a little bit. I ain't tomorrow with that wall. I don't see the kicker on this bird on that tan. Not yet. A little bit better. Walking in that way. One was in the field earlier, had that kicker on. What's that brood look? she was running. That thing go down right there. That's a good deer. Swamp whitetails. Tommy Wilcox Outdoors from Alabama Credit Union. Doesn't get any better than this, and come get you some.
That's a fine deer.
Thank you. It's a nice one.
You got it.
I got him. Good thing. Tommy Wilcox.
So tell us about the hunt.
We've been watching him for about 3 years. Tommy Wilcox Outdoors, Gabe Dalton and Jasper Auto Sales, Swamp Whitetails, and Alabama Credit Union. On a gorgeous afternoon, had some deer in the field, small no-shooters. This one came off the ridge. We put the 308 on it. We thank you.
If there's a new mower in your future, you really need to visit the folks at Artec Tractor in Jasper. With brands like Bobcat, Cub Cadet, Gravely, Spartan, and Toro, they can help you find the mower to fit your needs. They also have a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook, or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Hey, this is Hank Williams Jr. I can skin a buck, I can run a trot line. When you go to the woods, bring your game face.
Game Face calls. To find out more about these new and exciting products, go to GameFaceCalls.com, TommyWilcox.com, or check your local retailer.
We at Greensboro Farmers Co-op carry a wide variety of farming and household supplies. When it comes to your livestock, we've got you covered with our bagged and bulk feed. Need fuel? We deliver. Time to spray? Check out our insecticides, pesticides, and herbicides. Our variety of plants, flowers, and garden seeds will have your yard looking nice and your garden plentiful. Spreader trucks, buggy, and grain drill rentals will serve anyone's customized fertilizer spreading needs. Gear up for hunting season with our feed and seed, ammunition, and clothing. Greensboro Farmers Co-op. Small business, big heart.
This segment is brought to you by Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Hey, I'm Jeremy Self. I'm with Artec Tractor and Equipment. We're located in Nauvoo, Alabama. If you're local to us and need a tractor in the market for a tractor or a mower, we'd love to have your business. We also sell used equipment. We're a Bobcat dealer and would love to help you out any way we can. We're located at 7421 Highway 5 North, Nauvoo, Alabama, or you can reach us by phone at 205-384-9570. Yes. Got him.
What'd you think, man?
Oh, I love it. That thing's beautiful.
Was your heart racing?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm thumping right now.
Oh, man.
Oh, man.
He come right behind them doors, didn't
Right
he?
in, out of the same spot.
Same spot we thought it was. I'm gonna have to give a little kudos to Fast Eddie, man.
You caught that?
You said he would be right back in here, man.
He circled.
all you gotta do is
the
listen.
same way he just circled around.
All you gotta do is what?
All I gotta do is listen a little bit. Hey, we'll learn you something.
All right, Jeremy, what you think, buddy?
I don't know what to think right now, man. Fired up. Fired up.
Have I ever let you down?
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you, man. That's awesome. Yeah.
No, Fast Eddie, you haven't, man. You done good.
It's done good. Didn't even have a honey bun or nothing.
I'm talking about,
It happened so fast, though.
No Doritos.
You might even get a tip.
That'd be a first.
he's still moving.
He ain't going nowhere. He's there.
Hey, everybody, with Jeremy Self, Nauvoo, Alabama, with his first big buck.
Yep.
Jeremy, congratulations, buddy.
Thank you, man. It was awesome.
Woo, you were a little nervous there for a while, wasn't you?
Yeah, I was.
But man, you relaxed and just made a good shot on him, and
Thank you.
he didn't go anywhere. Made one little circle and then dropped, man. So congratulations, man. We want to thank the Alabama Credit Union and all that you do. You help us to build relationships with different dealers through the outdoors. And Artec uses the Alabama Credit Union for a lot of financing, so we appreciate what y'all do for us.
Yes, sir.
And it's just a nice way to say thank you, man, for what y'all do for us.
Yes, sir.
And I'll tell you, man, he's got a pretty good body on him too.
He does.
Tell everybody real quick what happened, man, and how long it took before you was able to make a shot on him.
Yeah, I mean, it didn't take long. We had 2 does walk out. About 20 or 25 minutes later, this buck followed them. Like, we weren't out here an hour.
Yeah.
And this dude walked out. So it was a good hunt.
Good hunt, man. Thanks to everybody at the Swamp Whitetails, Fast Eddie, who made the right decision for us.
Yeah.
He ate a few honey buns in there, but if his wife sees this, you need to cut back on the honey buns. But, well, all right, man. Thank y'all, and thank y'all for all y'all do with us, Alabama Credit Union, and good luck.
Y'all.
And I'm glad to see you got a mount on.
Me too, man. Thank y'all.
All right, buddy.
That's a nice one right there. I think so. I think we're gonna bust him. So ready, buddy? Get you going. Deep breaths, deep breaths.
What we're talking about right there. Give me 5. What you think about that, Walker?
Man, I knew he had it.
Cola.
I knew it.
Drilled him, man.
Did I?
I mean, you. That's the biggest deer you've ever seen?
Yes, sir.
Biggest deer, huh?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, give me 5, man. Congratulations, man, on a great deer. Walker, being able to experience this with your boy, that's something. Huh?
There ain't nothing like it.
12 years old, man.
Nothing like it. That's the best thing that a dad could ever ask for, is watch him take down a big buck.
Big old buck.
Big.
Man.
He's a buck buster.
All right, look, you're about ready to we'll call the other people, and then we'll get them to come up here, and then we'll walk down there too.
All right. Yeah, sounds great, man.
Woo!
That's my man right there. That's my man right there.
Good job, my boy. Good job.
Look at that. I'm back at an
Yeah, he was on an angle. He's got
well,
points
put that in
everywhere. Look at all them points.
angle. My goodness.
Oh, man.
What a beautiful deer.
He's got kickers
Wow.
all over.
Get up there, boy. Let's get your picture. Yeah. On the other side of it.
All right, folks, Koa Woods closed the deal. Jim, what you think about that buck, man?
Beautiful deer, beautiful deer.
Turn
I'm
him a little bit,
so
Walker.
proud.
Show all the different points that sucker has got.
Heavy rack, beautiful.
Heavy
deer. I mean,
rack.
A lot of points. It's
Got
beautiful.
kickers off his G2 back over here.
There you go.
Split G2 on this side. Got all kind of.
Heart still beating hard. Yeah, it is. It is.
I tell you what, now he
Did a good job.
he hung in there with it. Did it.
Good shot.
He
How many
didn't
shots
fool
you
around.
take?
He was patient. 2.
Good
One
job.
shot, man.
Beautiful deer. Thanks so much for bringing us down here to the swamp.
To the
Beautiful
swamp.
place. Beautiful place. Thank you, Alabama Credit Union. Thank you for Mr. Tommy Wilcox. Everybody involved in the hunt. Thank you so much. Great
Well,
day.
You will enjoy that, my friend.
That's something to brag about right
Jim,
there.
if somebody's interested in getting up with y'all at Jasper Autos, do y'all have a one number or is it just several
Go
numbers?
to JasperAutoSales.com and it will pull up every vehicle we've got.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you're interested, y'all give Jim and them a call and go down and pick you up a nice vehicle. If you like deer hunting and you want to get your grandson a nice deer, y'all come on down to the swamp and get you one of these babies.
That's right. Great deer. Great hunt. Thank you.
Congratulations, man.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Hello, my name is Curtis Taylor and I'm a second-degree black belt and the owner of Cobra Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu in Tuscaloosa. Cobra is a martial arts school that offers adults and kids classes. If you're looking for jiu-jitsu, wrestling, striking, or judo, Cobra's got it. Advanced or beginners classes, Cobra's got it. 5:30 a.m., noon, afternoon, or evening classes, Cobra's got it. Come and learn to defend yourself, have more confidence, and get in amazing shape. Check us out on Facebook or Instagram. Call or come by today.
We at Greensboro Farmers Co-op carry a wide variety of farming and household supplies. When it comes to your livestock, we've got you covered with our bagged and bulk feed. Need fuel? We deliver. Time to spray? Check out our insecticides, pesticides, and herbicides. Our variety of plants, flowers, and garden seeds will have your yard looking nice and your garden plentiful. Spreader trucks, buggy, and grain drill rentals will serve anyone's customized fertilizer spreading needs. Gear up for hunting season with our feed and seed, ammunition, and clothing. Greensboro Farmers Co-op. Small business, big heart.
For over 20 years, people have trusted Artec Tractor for their tractor or construction equipment needs. With brands like Bobcat, Mahindra, and Massey Ferguson, Artec Tractor can help you find the right solution for your farm or the job site. Artec Tractor has a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
This segment is brought to you by Greensboro Farmers Co-op, supporting those who work in acres, not hours.
All right, folks, that's going to do it for this week's show. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I want to thank Jeremy Self of Artec and Gabe Dalton of Jasper Auto. If you're in their areas and you need a tractor or a used vehicle, please give Jasper Auto and Artec a call. They'll do a great job. There's people you can really trust. Again, I want to thank the Alabama Credit Union for allowing us to build businesses through the outdoors and relationships. And it's been a great 10 years so far, and hopefully we'll continue to build and bring in more vendors as we go along. All right, we'll see you next week right here on Tommy Wilcox Outdoors.
Gassed up, loaded down, trucking on from town to town. Guns, bows, and a tackle box. Here come Tommy Wilcox. Hitting the water, hitting the woods. That Bama boy sure got it good. Always having too much fun. Lordy, don't y'all want